Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chisholm and today I'm going to be doing a Beabadoobee inspired makeup look. So I've been obsessed with Beabadoobee in a very real way since like May, June. I'm kind of like a newer fan, but I am going to see her tomorrow. I would describe her makeup style, let's see, it's super blushy. She's known for that like lived in eyeliner look. She actually talked about in her video that she would like sleep in her eyeliner to just make it more like smudgy and marinated. She has like really perfect skin. I'm gonna try to make my skin look very flawless. Buff it out with like an angled brush. I know that she doesn't do like the crazy highlight like I usually do, so I'm just gonna go in with, I think this, it's only 2 shades lighter. It's gonna end up looking more natural like under eye highlight instead of like the really white that I like to do. Can you see the difference? It's like kind of more flat on this side. I would consider her eyebrows to be more natural. She doesn't like fill them in all the way, but this is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Looks like this, and I'm just gonna fill it in like really sparse. And this brush is good for if you want like more natural because it's like a soft black, not like a super black. And so I'm just like basically following my natural, but just like what I already have basically. So this is the Laura Mercier, what is this, translucent long time no shine setting powder, which I love dearly. In her Vogue Beauty Secrets video, she uses a dark brown on her lid and then does like a smudgy black eyeliner. In my ColourPop, what is this, Cute AF palette, I'm gonna use this dark brown, which is kind of ran through. This is a gel liner from the brand Ruby Kisses. I get it at the beauty supply store and I just go up here. So I'm also gonna take this pencil eyeliner, which I've used to a nub, and put that on top because I find that the pencil eyeliners kind of also give it a more lived in look. It's less precise, you know? I'm gonna take this little pencil brush and I'm gonna smudge out the ends. I'm also gonna use this black eyeliner like right under my waterline just so it looks more smudgy. B, she wears red lipstick and I do have one here. It's from Wet n Wild. Might start doing this and using this for this because it looks so cute and like flushed. So I actually really like how that came out. She does her freckles. She actually uses an eyeliner pencil. I'm probably just gonna stick with the way I usually do them, which is to take a bobby pin and put them in like a darker brown to black color and then go like that and do it like this. So I really like how she does her freckles. Like she doesn't go down the cheek. She kind of keeps them like up in the upper nose area and fans them out just like on the top, and I think it's such a cute look. Okay, so these look super intense. I'm just gonna go into this fine feathered palette and take one of these pink colors, I think this one, maybe this one, and use it as blush as well, just to kind of diffuse the freckles. Okay, so this is where we are so far. Hopefully you guys can see the freckles. So B wears lash extensions and I don't. So I'm gonna be using these falsies. Unfortunately, I threw away the package, but you know, they're like kind of like this like crisscrossy pattern. I'm gonna use mascara to blend my natural lashes so I can like really tell, and it's messing me up. I feel like the glue on the lash band, so I'm taking a bit of liquid liner just to make it look more cohesive up here. And that is okay. So my video actually stopped recording right around here. Please pray for me because that was heartbreaking. I think this looks good. No, kind of accurate. I don't know, I think so. But yeah, let me know what you think, and that's pretty much the end of the video. Bye.